The hatch function has been constantly upgraded. In this version, you can create hatches faster. Also, the hatch patterns have better compatibility with other CAD software. New features have been added like the context menu. When you click or create a hatch, this menu will pop up on the ribbon. It helps you adjust the hatch setting more conveniently. You can select hatch pattern, color, transparency, or angle. When the hatch command is active, hover the cursor over an object and you can preview the effect in real time. So you can save time in selecting the hatch pattern. If the hatch scale is too small or too big, a window will pop up to remind you the hatch pattern may not be displayed. Lastly, there are two new features on the right-click menu. Set Origin helps you adjust the origin point of the pattern to set the pattern at the right position. Set Boundary helps you redefine the hatch boundary, allowing you to create new hatches faster. With these improvements, creating hatches becomes simpler and easier. Try it now.